Today on Max Kelly's Vegan Cooking Show, we're going to be making panzanella salad. We're going to start by cutting about half a loaf of bread into roughly half-inch cubes. If you want to make the bread from scratch, check out my ciabatta recipe. Otherwise, a store-bought ciabatta, baguette, or Italian bread will work well. Toss the bread cubes with about a teaspoon of olive oil and a pinch or two of kosher salt, then bake in a 350-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes until dry but not quite browned. Take your bread out of the oven and set it aside for now. Next, we're going to prep our veggies. First and most important are 3 large ripe tomatoes. You really only want to make this when tomatoes are in season in your area. Slice them into half-inch cubes, then transfer the cubes and any leftover juices to a strainer or colander set over a large mixing bowl. Toss your tomatoes with a few pinches of kosher salt to draw out more liquid, and let them drain while you prepare everything else. Next, we have a medium cucumber that we're going to cut into quarters and slice on a diagonal, followed by 3 small shallots or about half a red onion that we're going to slice finely, and 2 small cloves of garlic that we're going to crush and mince. We also have a small bunch of fresh basil and a few sprigs of fresh oregano that we're going to add later on, but feel free to use any fresh herbs that you have on hand. Now remove the strainer from your mixing bowl. There should be quite a bit of tomato juice at the bottom. Add 2 or 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, sherry vinegar, or balsamic vinegar, or a mixture of any of the 3. Next, add about a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, then add your shallots and garlic and stir everything together. Now add about a 1/4 cup of olive oil, stir everything again, and give it a taste. Even out the seasoning with some cracked black pepper and kosher salt, and consider adding a teaspoon or so of soy sauce. It's far from traditional, but it complements the tomatoes really nicely to boost the savoriness of the finished dish. Now add your bread and toss it so it starts absorbing the dressing. Then add your tomatoes and cucumbers, tear in your fresh herbs, and give everything one last toss. Panzanella makes a great appetizer or side dish, or even a light lunch on its own on a hot day. Enjoy!